Before I think before I answer number 9.
Oh, so it's what also?
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
Yeah,
And
what?
mm,
And then number 8 is also what, right? Or you want to change
yeah.
that? Okay, yeah. So
mm,
both number 8 and also 9, yeah, using what? Karena you talk about yeah something like this ya. Jadi make sure if you ask question, kalau misalnya your expectation when you ask question ya, when you have question, you want to ask question to person, it depends on your expectation. Kalau misalnya for instance like Akbar and also Mr. Hami want to get like to get answer, berarti pertanyaannya harus pakai yang WH question or question word, harus pakai kayak what, when, where, how, something like that. But if the question just only asking like yes or no, ya pakainya yang tadi ya. Kita nggak usah pakai question word like that. Okay?
Okay, Kak.
So now it's time for us to listen to audio. Wait, listen to audio ya. Let's take a look to this. Listen to some journalists interviewing a famous actress who just arrived in Toronto. Write down 4 questions they ask. Okay. Not as, yeah, you can focus on the question. Jadi questionnya apa yang ditanyakan ya? 4 question. Okay. 4 question. Please focus on 4 question. I will play the audio right now. Wait. One, 120, 2. Okay, ready to listen, everyone?
Ready.
Yes.
Ready. Okay, Akbar ready ya?
Ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. Loh, mana? Kok nggak play? Sebentar. Wait. Loh, sebentar. Kok tidak langsung play?
1.2.
sudah.
1.2.
Excuse me?
Cindy, excuse me.
Cindy!
Excuse me.
Just a few questions.
Okay, but you have just 1 minute.
What brings you to Toronto?
I'm here to accept an award and do some interviews.
How long are you going to be in Toronto for?
Just 48 hours, then I'm flying back to the States.
That's a very short stay. Don't you like Toronto?
I love Toronto, but unfortunately, my new movie starts shooting on Monday.
There have been rumors that you and your husband are having relationship problems. Can you tell us if there's any truth in that?
No. No comment. No more questions.
Okay. Okay, can you catch all the questions that yeah the 2 people asked to siapa tadi namanya? I forgot the name, the actress. Okay. Should we repeat again, everyone?
Yes, repeat again, Miss Yuni.
Okay, repeat again. Ini because the question is so long actually ya. Jadi nanti kita fokus di depan-depannya sampai misalnya sampai ke habisnya question, subject, terus entah verb, entah noun-nya. Itu aja yang difokusin. Untuk yang bagian belakangnya it's okay. Yang penting you know what is the question. I will repeat 1, 2, 3, go.
1.2.
Excuse me?
Cindy, excuse me.
Cindy!
Excuse me.
Just a few questions.
Okay, but you have just 1 minute.
What brings you to Toronto?
I'm here to accept an award and do some interviews.
How long are you going to be in Toronto for?
Just 48 hours, then I'm flying back to the States.
That's a very short stay. Don't you like Toronto?
I love Toronto, but unfortunately, my new movie starts shooting on Monday.
There have been rumors that you and your husband are having relationship problems. Can you tell us if there's any truth in that?
No. No comment. No more questions.
Okay, how right now, everyone, can you catch all the questions? Possible? Mr. Hami, 1 or 2, can you find the question number 1 and number 2?
Yes, can.
Okay, please wait a second. Wait a second. Hi, Ari. Sorry. Hi. Okay.
Number one.
Number 1.
What when do you to Toronto?
Again, Mr. Hami.
What when
When itu
do
maksudnya
you
ini. When, like this.
no
Or what?
ingin apa apa ya tadi ya?
Oh, like this. What? Like?
Don't gitu kan.
Ya,
Nggak
benar.
clear sih kalau
Bentar, kok punya saya mana ya? What? Oh, you ya, you to Toronto. Oke. Almost right. Tapi pertanyaannya tuh gini, apa yang membawa kamu ke Toronto? Berarti jadinya apa, Mr. Rami? Apa yang membawa kamu? Iya, apa yang membawa kamu ke Toronto? Membawa in English.
bawah.
Membawa.
Carry.
Tidak pakai carry, pakai yang B. Tapi carry benar sih membawa. Yang pakai yang B, Mr. Rami. It is brings.
Bring.
Ya, what brings you to Toronto? Kalau misalnya ketemu pertanyaan-pertanyaan kayak apa yang membuat kamu bahagia, kayak gitu-gitu ya, itu pertanyaannya kayak gini-gini modelnya. Jadi, what makes you happy? Nah, kalau ini emang pengecualian ya, pertanyaan-pertanyaan kayak gini kita nggak usah pakai auxiliary. Jadi kalau mau pertanyaan-pertanyaan sejenis ini, what makes you happy? Apa yang membuat kamu bahagia? Apa yang membuat kamu ke sana? Kayak gitu ya. Itu what brings you to Toronto? Kayak gitu. Itu salah satunya. Contoh-contohnya bisa kayak gini. Oke, number 2, Mr. Hami, please.
Number 2, how long do you stay in Toronto?
How long do you?
How long do you stay in Toronto? Ya.
Oke, dia pertanyaannya begini, Mr. Hami. How long? Kayak gini, pakai going to be. Kayak gini. Nah, satunya going to be to Toronto gitu ya. Nah, sekarang kita lihat di sini. Apakah benar kita pakai do karena ininya pakai going? Nah, gini misalnya. So how? Yang kayak tadi kalau I will show to you again. Nah, mana tadi ya? Yang warna hijau ya misalnya. The green one.
Okay. So verb use to.
Tapi dia going, using going. Going. So it is like wait. Okay, this.
Going.
Going. Finish?
Yes.
Okay. So dunya diganti apa Mr. Hani? Because dunya ini salah.
She.
No. You have to put like like do, does, did, or is, am, are, was, were. Nah, like that. Nah, ini sekarang kan kita pakai going. Nah, going is verb in. You using is. You. You. To be-nya
You are.
Correct. How long are you going to be to Toronto? Right. Yeah, are you going to? Are you going to ini artinya maksudnya ya kayak kamu akan will kayak sama kayak will gitu. Number 3, Akbar. Please.
No, Kak, no.
Kak,
I
no.
cannot read.
Number 4, Akbar. Number
Same
4,
because I still understand Jeff, but so I cannot.
catch that. Dari number 3 and 4. Tapi number 1 and 2 kamu dapat nggak? 1 and 2 you get it or not? Did you get it?
Number one,
Only.
just number.
Wow.
Yeah, only
Okay.
number.
Okay, so please let Mr. Hamid to answer number 3 and 4 then, because I do not want to answer that. Mr. Hamid, please.
Number 3, I think. Do you like Toronto?
Okay. Oke, kebalik, do you like Toronto? Tapi kurang tepat dikit. Pertanyaannya tuh begini, Mr. Hamid. Tidakkah kamu suka Toronto? Like that. Berarti kalau kata-katanya tidakkah, kalau ini kan apakah kamu suka Toronto? Nah, kalau pertanyaannya tidakkah, jadi Mr. Hamid put this one. Like, don't you like Toronto? Tuh. Ya, jadi kalau mau bertanya tidakkah kamu bla bla bla, nah itu pakainya kayak gitu. Don't you kamu suka ya, tidakkah kamu suka bla bla bla. Misalnya kalau saya like I never meet Firas and I say like oh, aren't you Firas, kayak gitu, kayak Mr. Hamid talk me about Firas but I never meet him, and suddenly in special occasions I meet Firas and I say like, oh, aren't you Firas, gitu, kayak Aren apa tidakkah kamu Firas, gitu, aren't you. Nah, misalnya kayak begini. Nah, kenapa kok pakai aren? Kan yang ini tadi pakai don. Karena Firas di sini adalah kata benda, misalnya. Like that. Caranya seperti itu. Hmm. Jadi boleh kita bertanya, tapi diawalin dengan kata don't, doesn't, isn't, aren't, itu boleh sekali. Jadi di situ kalau pertanyaannya sudah pakai not itu berarti kayak yang tanya itu sudah yakin kalau oh ini tuh dia gitu. Kayak misalnya kayak gitu, kamu Akbar ya, kayak gitu. Kalau bahasa Indonesia tuh kayak gitu. Tapi kalau dalam bahasa Inggris jadi kayak gitu, aren't you Akbar, like that, aren't you Akbar, like that. Jadi seperti itu. Itu kalau orangnya yang tanya tuh yakin, kayaknya ini Akbar deh, kayak gitu. Ini kayaknya Firas. Oke, number 4, Mr. Hami.
Number 4, I guess. Can you tell us about your husband rumor? I think.
Ya, pertanyaannya sudah benar. Can you tell us? Ya, tell us. Ini sudah benar, oke. Yang penting kan tadi ininya ya. Cuma sebenarnya ya it's about rumor, tapi untuk pertanyaan fullnya tuh gini, if there is truth in it. Tadi kan si wartawan cowok tanya ya, katanya denger-denger nih kamu tuh punya apa, relationship problem with your husband. Jadi kayak ada masalah keluarga gitu ya. Terus ditanyain, can you tell us if there is truth in it? Kamu bisa nggak cerita sama kita kalau itu benar atau enggak, kayak gitu. Ya, pertanyaannya seperti ini. Can you tell us? Bisahkah kamu? Terus kayak gitu. Very good. Ya, jadi kalau can you, terus will you, may, I, ini juga akan sering kepakai. Kalau misalnya ini kan ya kayak bisahkah kamu gitu ya, bisahkah kamu, akankah kamu, terus bolehkah saya, bolehkah saya, like that. Tapi again and again, kalau misalnya Mr. Hamid talk about talk with his boss, and then Akbar talk about with the lecturers, please be more polite. Jadi tetap harus pakai kata could ya, could you, itu sopan ya. Jadi kalau bisa di konteksnya kampus, di konteksnya kerjaan sama siapapun, better you use like could you, would you, something like that ya. Itu soalnya sopan kalau kayak begini. Ini lebih sopan. Kalau Mei nggak apa-apa, soalnya kan itu tentang diri kita sendiri kan Kak. Bolehkah aku duduk di sini itu kan ya udah tentang diri kita sendiri gitu. Tapi kalau ini kan bisakah kamu? So you ask someone. Jadi please be polite. Kalau bisa yang kata-katanya tuh kayak could you, would you like that ya. Again and again, pronunciation-nya itu kayak could gitu ya. And then would. So nggak pakai L. Nggak pakai L. Could, would. Could you, would you, like that. Question, please. Ask question about question. Our discussion is all about question. So please ask question. Maybe Mr. Helmi or Akbar, you have question, let me know.
Kak,
Yeah.
is Aaron is like bukankah gitu.
Oke. Bukankah, tidakkah, it's the same, Akbar. Jadi, it's okay when you like give the meaning with tidakkah or bukankah is also okay.
Alright, Kak.
Gitu ya. Soalnya kan dalam bahasa Indonesia ya, Indonesia itu no itu kan dua ya, bukan dan tidak. Nah, itu tinggal disesuaikan aja. Ini enaknya kata ini itu pakai kata bukan atau tidak ya. Yes, Akbar, please.
No, okay, Kak. Thank you.
Okay.
And I think if I asking for my lecture, I think not just could you or would you. I think if was say sorry.
Ah ya, please, always like that. Atau sebenarnya lebih polite lagi yang kayak dulu. Bertanya tapi nggak bertanya, kayak statement. Itu sebenarnya lebih polite. Cuman kita pernah bahas itu. Maybe if I don't know ya, with Akbar too but I remembered last several weeks ago, ever told with Mr. Helmi about that. Kayak menggunakan pertanyaan tapi kayaknya masih ada Akbar kok waktu itu. Kayaknya ya, I remember ya. Itu kayak ini loh. Apa sih question indirect question. Pertanyaan yang tidak langsung. Kayak misalnya I want to know what your name is like that. Itu tuh lebih polite lagi sebenarnya. Lebih polite lagi. Tapi kalau kadang kan konsep kayak oh harus indirect question tuh sometimes we forgot. So kita bisa mengakali dengan cara seperti ini, ya. Diakalin like that.
Okay, Kak. Thank you, Kak.
You're welcome. Mr. Hami, you have question to me about our discussion today?
Not yet, Miss.
Not yet. Okay then. Okay, so if no question, we can end the class. Yeah, I will share to you the listening also. I will share to you the listening and also this. Okay, so if no question, we can dismiss the class. Hopefully we can meet again on. Kok cepat ya hari ini kayaknya? I don't feel okay. We will meet again hopefully on Monday next week. So let me dismiss the class today. Thank you for Mr. Hami and also Akbar for the attendance. See you next meeting, everyone. Bye bye.
Kak.
Thank you.
See you.
Thank you. Thank you.